If you're an entrepreneur with big dreams, you need this 2-day intensive bootcamp to surpass that $1 million revenue goal. Attention, small business owners. Imagine taking your business from good to great in just 2 days. Our bootcamp is designed to equip you with the tools and knowledge to transform your operations and leverage business intelligence for unstoppable growth. Data-driven decisions are crucial in today's market. We'll teach you how to replace guesswork with data-backed insights using key performance indicators. Want to streamline workflows and optimize resources? We've got you covered with our new technology. Discover how to understand and segment your customers, allowing you to tailor your offerings and skyrocket customer satisfaction. Gain a competitive edge with real-time market insights and stay ahead of your competition. Our bootcamp also dives into predictive analytics and sales forecasting to ensure you're always one step ahead. And the best part? It's all practical, hands-on learning with real-world examples. Don't miss out. Registration ends January 10th, 2025. Sign up today and unlock the full potential of your business. Let's hit that $1 million milestone together.